Sales and marketing often struggle to align, leading to inefficiencies. A customer relationship management system, or CRM, can bridge this gap. Let's explore how CRM unites these teams effectively. First, centralize all customer data within the CRM. This includes marketing interactions, website visits, and sales calls. A unified database ensures everyone accesses the same accurate information. Next, automate the lead handoff process. Define clear criteria for a sales-qualified lead within the CRM. This ensures leads are promptly assigned to the right salesperson, complete with relevant history. Enable shared insights by granting marketing access to sales data like conversion rates. Similarly, sales can view marketing engagement history. This mutual access refines strategies and personalizes customer interactions. Standardize reporting by tracking shared key performance indicators, such as lead-to-customer conversion rates. This unified approach ensures both teams work towards common, measurable goals. Facilitate closed-loop feedback by having sales update the CRM with lead outcomes. Marketing uses this feedback to improve targeting and messaging, creating a continuous cycle of improvement. The result? Enhanced collaboration, increased efficiency, and improved customer experiences, driving business growth. Implementing CRM unites sales and marketing, transforming your business. Start with step 1 today. Which step excites you most? Share below and subscribe for more insightful guides.